From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. The colors of fall continue to spread all across the Palmetto State, according to Explore Fall. But if we look a little bit towards the north and west, you can kind of see peak color now being reported, at least for parts of the mountains of North Carolina. Our afternoon sunsets continue to get a little bit earlier, 6:40 today as we look ahead towards Halloween, which is a week from today. Sunset will be at 6:32, and then the time does change that first Sunday of November, and then as you see, those sunsets get a little bit earlier, 5:26 on November the 7th. So those time changes will certainly impact our sunsets a little bit earlier. 72 degrees, that was our high yesterday. We'll be in that same range later today. Haven't had any rain since Friday when we picked up 9/100ths of an inch of rain at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. Now some areas did get a little bit more. Very dry conditions over the next few days. A good bit of sunshine, maybe a passing cloud or two today, maybe a passing cloud or two tomorrow. But as you can see from our European forecast model, dry conditions. American model showing basically the same thing, not expecting any rainfall. Now, the middle of the next work week, there may be a little bit of rain, but today's going to be dry. Temperatures climbing into the upper 60s. By 2 o'clock, we'll be in the low to mid 70s this afternoon with a little bit of a breeze coming out of the northeast at about 5 miles per hour. Temperatures tonight dropping back down into the, we'll say, mid to upper 40s to near 50 degrees, so not quite as chilly as it was this morning. Upper 70s tomorrow, low 80s. It looks like Thursday, Friday. We'll look ahead towards the weekend, low to mid 80s possible by the second half of the weekend. Coastal forecast looking pretty good. It's going to be dry as well if you have those weekend plans. Upper 70s to near 80 degrees, low 80s in the upstate over the weekend, but definitely can tell those dry conditions will continue. Warmer than normal conditions for basically the coastal region of the Palmetto State for the last day of October into the beginning of November. But as we kind of look ahead, do expect wetter than normal conditions in that same time frame. Hurricane season certainly been busy. 20 named storms out there. On average through today, we'd expect 12 named storms, 6 hurricanes. We've had 7 hurricanes, including our latest hurricane, which is still kind of churning out there. As Hurricane Tammy is going to turn a little bit more towards the west. You'll see Bermuda is within that cone of uncertainty. And this is Tropical Depression 21 as it pushes inland into Central America. Elsewhere, though, no tropical activity is expected over the next 7 days. It has been a very busy hurricane season. Here are all our named storms for the 2023 season. Latest, obviously, was Tammy. 20 named storms out there, but as we continue to move through hurricane season, the last official day is November 30th, so the activity should continue to decrease as we push towards the end of November.